This is side B of the poster, and probably the way it looks to you right now is really just a big mesh of a bunch of letters. But I'm going to sort of break this into a little bit more practical information, and as we break it up, it'll make more and more sense. This is the part of this poster that really actually is what inspired the app. First, I'm going to describe a little bit about what the circle represents. And you remember from the other side of the poster is that there was do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. And they are also referred to as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well, there's kind of this magic thing where 1 and 4 and 5 are related. Our ears want to hear those things together. And so if you look at this, this is one key. This is the key of C, and piano teachers will know that the reason we start with the key of C is because that's all white keys on the piano. However, we don't have to deal with piano in the Grammatica. That's one of the best parts of it, to my mind, because it lets us get to just the concept. So for the time being, I'm going to just take this and I'm going to block this key out. Now, you can make an awful lot of music with just one key, and it's really quite remarkable. And the way that most music is made is you'll see this is the 1, and that's major, 2, and this, so you'll notice throughout all of this there's going to be a consistent thing where there'll be a letter, and then they'll go up in alphabetical order: C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. However, since it's on the Grammatica, since it's on this wheel, it's C, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And you're going to stay around all the way around the whole circle. Now, this is all of those chords, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. Those are all, I guess for want of a better term, I'll call them legal chords in that key. So now you'll see over here in the key of F, now if you go this way on the circle, this is the 4th, meaning it's green here, and that's going to be a match. You see that? F and F. So this is the key of F, and you'll see that that's related because that's the 4th. And if you go this way on the circle of fifths, right, that's G, and that's a 5th, right? You see, so it relates this way. And we're just going to kind of, oh, there you go. I think here I am getting caught teaching music theory without a license. So, you see that sort of relates like that. Now, these keys here are what we're going to call related keys, right? So, F and G are related keys to C. Now bear with me because this is all mostly going to sound like rubbish for the time being. But this really plays out a lot when you get into slightly more complex pop music or more interesting music. And this poster, if you print it up and you take a look at it, this is going to be a great reference tool, even if you don't have the app, the Grammatica app. But if you look, the C, this chord, exists in that key, and it exists in that key. The D minor is going to exist right over here. The E minor is going to exist right there. F, of course, that's the 4th, so that's going to be I guess that would be counterclockwise. And then G is the 5th, and that's going to be clockwise. And A minor is going to be in both of these keys as well. So these guys, they're all related. They really like each other. And so you can do certain types of key changes that use these same keys, and quite often in a lot of rock music and pop music, you'll bounce back and forth. But then,